What's that smell like?
Delicious.
It smells delicious. Don't. And then we're just gonna twist. Lena has lots. Lena has lots. Shake your lot, girl. Hey. Shake your lot, girl. So today we're gonna show them how we're gonna start your locks. We're starting your locks today. Are you excited? Yeah. Do you want to show them everything that we got from the store yesterday? Yeah. What's that? Is that a bonnet?
Yeah.
So cute. Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay. What else did you get?
It's so tiny.
Yeah. What are those for?
My puppy things.
Your bun.
No, the puppy things.
Yeah, the puffy things for your bun.
A black.
A black bow. All these pretty bows. You got 2 white ones for when you do your. Why are you making that face? You don't like them? You got blue, pea, orange. She loves this bonnet. It has like clouds on it and stars and flowers.
Yeah, unicorn.
It's called a Toddler satin premium bonnet. So cute. We got it at our local beauty supply store.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let me
But
get this.
I got backlights and flowers.
Yeah, it has flowers on it. It has golden flowers on it, guys. Can you see the golden flowers? Let's see. It has golden flowers on it. It's super cute. Are you excited?
Yeah, look.
Whoa, look at your hair.
Look. Hair.
Yeah, it looks crazy. This is the therapeutic Kaleidoscope detox shampoo. It's infused with ginger and rosemary. Restorative hair therapy
Why do
line.
you put on the camera?
So that they can see what kind of shampoo we're using. It soothes itchy scalp, removes product buildup, restores natural pH balance of scalp, and leaves dry hair shiny and clean. We have gone to the pool several times over the summer, and she's only had her hair washed like once. The other times I just use water to rinse her hair. So this is really good for her. A nice detox shampoo. Are you excited, Lena?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta back up. Let's get in the tub.
Woohoo.
Let's show you lip gloss real quick. Just one. Just one.
Feel like it. I bought it from the store.
You got it from the store. It's a cherry lip gloss.
Yes, a cherry lip gloss.
Let's turn it so they can see. This is a cherry lip gloss, guys. Okay, let's put it back inside. Let's get in the tub.
Yeah, let's turn them another one.
Take your head back. Good job. It's not hot. Put your head up. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna use is the Nourishing conditioner.
Why are I doing that?
Whoa, the conditioner has like a cool color. It's like a neonish color.
Yeah.
You wanna smell it?
It's my cat.
Can you have some of it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You wanna help me put it in your hair?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, smother it in, girl. Whoa.
It's so slippery. It's so smelly.
Mm-hmm. Do you like how it smells?
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells
So
really
like, so yuck.
It smells yuck.
Yeah, like, but not yuck.
Does it smell yuck or does it smell good?
That smells just a little bit yuck, but it smells so yummy.
It smells a little bit yuck
Yeah.
and yummy. Okay.
Shampoo.
Again, we're using the detox shampoo. You want help?
Yeah. Wow. So yummy.
Yummy.
Can you rub it together?
And it has the same color that matches the conditioner. It smells even more yummy than the conditioner. So you just put it in your hair, okay?
Now the this part. Yeah, that's so soapy. So simple.
It's so soapy.
Ah, man, it's just so soapy.
all these suds, you guys. Super sudsy. Arms up. Do y'all see Lena's curls? Super curly.
I want love.
Can you smile? You're welcome. Hey guys, we are back. Say hi, Lena.
Hi.
Let's show you curls. Whoa, look at these juicy, juicy curls for the girls. Why do you want locks?
Yes, I want those locks, like those things.
We're going to add in this moisturizer, this Kaleidoscope therapeutic. The answer, let's see, come on guys. The answer anti-shedding curl cream just acts as a moisturizer, so we're gonna be using this. I'm trying to use it. Oh, there it is. I was about to get so upset. Okay, so this is a white color. It doesn't have a tint color like the conditioner and the shampoo. And
Mom,
oh, smell it. Smell it, babe. What do you think?
it's like a lighthouse.
It smells like a lighthouse. It smells like candy. Wow. That smells so good.
Mom, keep it on my hand.
Get your hand up. You gonna put it in your hair?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Go ahead. Okay. And let me spread it out.
Yeah.
I got it. Ooh. So I know it's going to define your curls because it's a curl cream.
Mom, get on the bottom.
Oh, you getting the bottom? Okay.
Mommy, it's white on me.
Y'all, look at what she do. Go ahead. This is what moms are for, I guess. Here, just wipe it on your mom. We're gonna use this hair pomade.
Put it on my hair.
Yes, I'm gonna put on that. Okay, so now we're gonna part it. I'm gonna part it like so. You guys see the part? Then we're gonna add a little bit of this nature's blessing to your scalp.
No, this my hair.
No, girl, you're just gonna wipe it on my shirt. I don't want this stuff on my shirt. This is the gel that I use for all of my locks to stop bam. Here, hold this for me, Nina. Thank you, boo.
Can you open this thing?
Can you open that thing? Sure, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, Lena. What's that smell like?
Good this.
So now we're gonna do the first row to her little lockies. I'm gonna take some of this gel. Hope you guys can see. Everything is even. So I'm just gonna start it off as a little braid. Then I'm gonna split the third leg. Then we're just gonna twist it down. Also, a combination of that Nature's Blessing and the Kaleidoscope products have her hair smelling really, really yummy. I just wanted to mention that really quick. And this is just aloe vera in a spray bottle. Thank you. So at this time, Lena's taking a quick little lunch break. Say hi, Lena.
Hi.
I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, they look awesome. I love the way her locks are looking. So yeah, when we get to the top, to the very last section, because I have them sectioned off. So when she's done eating, we're gonna finish out this section. Then I'm gonna come over and to the exact section, and I'll show you guys when we get to the last part. Lena!
So many things I want to use my camera for that I don't use it for.
Say hi to your friends.
Hi.
So we are gonna finish her, this is her left side. I did do the right side. Turn your head, boo. So you can see, turn this way. Turn your head. Lena, turn your head, girl. This is what the right side is looking like. I love her little lockies. Ooh, ooh, it's the two of you. Ooh. And it looks so pretty. So now we're gonna finish her left side. Turn your head, boo. So as you can see, I'm doing small locks. I don't know how many she's gonna end up with, but they're definitely small. They're about close to the same size as mine. I'm starting them off with braids, and I'm just doing 2-strand twists down, and I'm gonna maintain her ends so she can have curly ends. And yeah, these are what her little lockies are looking like, y'all. So cute. I'm so excited. Her grit is on gritty. Yeah, her locks are gonna be very nice, yeah, very nice. Hey girl, so turn your head. Starting it off as a braid, And then just doing 2 strand twists down. I'm gonna do this throughout this whole section over here. Do you see your hair, boo? Do you like it? Don't move, okay? Gonna add in this sleek gel. Look how it just lays the hair down. I love this stuff. I'm gonna go in with some medium-sized parting. Again, we're braiding it at the root and then turning it into 2 strand twists. Lena has lots.
Okay, hold on, baby.
Lena has lots. Lena has lots. Shake your lot, girl.
Hey.
Shake your lot, girl. Shake your lot, girl. Hey, shake your lot, girl. Oh, Lena. She looks so nice. Oh. You got lots. You got lots. Hey. Rock it, rock it, rock it.